How to repost a Facebook story. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to repost a Facebook story. The first step is to open or launch the Facebook mobile application, just like you can see here. Once you open the app, you will land on the home page of your account. From here, you need to go to the Stories section that usually appears at the top of the homepage. Scroll through the available stories until you find the one you would like to share. Tap on the story you want to repost, and it will open in full screen, as you can see here. Once the story is open, look at the bottom left corner of the screen where you will see the share icon. It looks like a small arrow pointing to the right. Go ahead and tap on it. When you tap the share icon, a pop-up will immediately appear, giving you options to share and also edit the story before posting it. If you want, you can add stickers, text, music, or any other creative elements to personalize the story before sharing it. This is a great option if you want to add your own touch or make the story more engaging for your audience. Once you are satisfied with the edits you have made, proceed and tap on the option to share. Facebook will then repost the story to your own Stories section, where all your friends or followers will be able to see it. In some cases, Facebook may also give you the option to share the same story on Instagram, since the two platforms are connected through the Account Center. If this option appears, the choice is yours whether you want to also share the story on Instagram or not. After you confirm your choice, the story will be successfully reposted. The process is that simple and takes only a few moments to complete. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue, and now you know how to easily repost a Facebook story. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks!